All right, this is part two of this GoPro no sound, and what I did was much. I took my GoPro HD apart, and turns out that this that microphone right there. All right, it wasn't. I don't know, for some reason it wasn't working good. Like, it was not soldered. The red wire was not even on there. So what I did was I went to the thrift store and bought a one of those headsets for a cell phone, and it had pretty much a match. Took it off, soldered this, and I gotta put my GoPro back together. That's pretty much covers that. Yeah, no, my camera doesn't focus pretty good, but that's your that's your solution right there. Getting one of those, and then resolder it, and problem solved.